Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. It's Kristen. I'm a full-time trader. I do portfolio management. I have a website, precisiontrade365.com. I provide high probable technical analysis there, the tradable setup, and also provide real-time swing alert via SMS. And the tradersfish.com, that is a free website. It is full pack with stock market data. Please check that out. So many data in there, the earnings, all that stuff, good stuff in there. Today is going to be busy in the market because Netflix reported earnings last night. So it's the first on the technology sector to report for third quarter's earnings. And so far it is better than expected. So here we are, we're looking at Netflix right here. It is gapping up by 8%. As you can see, Amazon is gapping by 1 percentage point and 0.5 for Alphabet, and the S&P 500 up about a point. This is my morning setup right here, the one you're seeing on screen. I have 5 screens, so what you're seeing is this is just the first screen that I'm looking at, and this is my active trading watch list. What you're seeing here. So basically, this is how I roll, and I have about 50 watch lists and a couple of about 16 charts. Again, this is just one screen, so you're just seeing 3. Today, I'd like to talk about strategizing trades. Early in the week, I provided Amazon as long. I really like Amazon because, one, it has been oversold compared to Apple, Microsoft, and Google. Although the market was closed at the market was trading near record highs, but Amazon was below 200-day moving average. So let me show you right here. So this is our Amazon in 60 minutes in about 10 days, and switching it to daily time frame, and look at the 6-month time frame right here. Amazon, and this is the daily time frame, 6 months. If you're new to trading, again, my technical tools are very simple. I choose the simple moving average, which are these lines right here, the green, the blue, and the red. These are the simple moving average, and I do have the RSI, but most importantly, the 60% factors on my short-term trade really relies on the pivots, whereas I gauge or I lean on the higher high, higher low theory. So far, this is Amazon, and this is the prime day high of 2025, and ever since it keeps dropping down. If you have been following my channel for a while, you would have noticed that every time I do film Amazon, I'm always highlighting this 2025 resistance right here where the correction began and the prime day, because for me, in my own technique, it really helped me a lot to really analyze the stocks and the technical analysis. It does help me. That's my own experience. So again, if you're new to trading, every brokerage comes with a free charting tool. So just gotta go settings, and this is the candlestick. You have so many choices right there. You just choose whatever that works for you, you're comfortable with. And for technical analysis indicators, see loads of it that you can use. But what I have is just these 2. Okay? So you have many selections, many options. Just pick whatever you're comfortable with. And so here we are in Amazon right now for the daily time frame at 6 months. Very interesting technical setup. As we have known, this is the last 3 days price action here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and it's all green. Tuesday was the big green right here, about 2% closing price. And now Amazon is at 50-day resistance, but we know that it is gapping by 1%. That is close to 1,800,798 pre-market, and that is above the 200-day moving average. So very big converging moving average for Amazon. We stay about 1,800. We can close by tomorrow by 1,820, as long as market holds up and Netflix gains. Here on the 60 minutes for Amazon, if we are trading Amazon, I really like it. This is the 1,800 right here. Pretty clear resistance, as you can see. the 1800 right here. This is 1800, and then the 1820. So with a big pop, big rally, we can test the 1820 even to 1840 regarding on how it acts. But so far, Amazon held up pretty well, and I really like that. And earnings is coming up again, I think next week. So I like Amazon as long, and if you're trading it, just put a stop, place a stop at 1788 for the week, depending if that is, I'm talking about the short-term trade here, okay? Just less short-term weekly option, not next week. So if you are riding the momentum, use the 1800, use the 1792 as bull support. But if it breaks, maybe it pulls back a little, but then your target would be here at 1810, 1820. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something from it. Please subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell.